students, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well. Welcome to our EVS class. My dear students, do you remember? We have started our second lesson from EVS second. Alright, the name of lesson is our Earth. Okay, we have learned two things in previous session. Can you tell me what we have learned in last session? Yes, we have learned about the movement of the earth and shape of the earth. Okay. So, can you tell me what are the movements of the earth? Can you name that movements? Yes, very good. The first one is rotation of the earth and second one is revolution of the earth. Okay students? Now tell me that what is mean by rotation and what is mean by revolution. We have also learned the difference between revolution and rotation. Okay. The rotation means an satellite or a planet. It spins around itself. Okay. And revolution means a planet is revolve around a heavenly body. Okay. So these are the two different things that are rotation and revolution. Now my dear students, in today's session we are going to learn understanding the shape of the earth. Alright. So you have to write down aim of today's class in your notebook. Alright students. Now see that I want to show you something. Okay. Are you ready? Yes. See here. During ancient time, the people were believed that if they kept sailing in one direction, then they may fall off the edge of the earth. Okay. Why do they believe so? Yes, because they believe that the earth is having flat shape. Okay. So if they kept sailing in one direction for long time, then they may fall off the edge of the earth. Alright students. Now see here. They believe that if they kept sailing in one direction for long time, so what would happen? They may fall. Okay, they may fall from the edges of the earth. But there were many people who believed that the earth is having sphere shape. Earth is not flat. Okay, so just we look over that person who believed that. The first one is Plato. Okay, he is a Greek philosopher. He first believed that earth is a sphere and not a flat shape. Alright. What he believed? The earth is having spherical shape. Okay. But he was not having any evidence or he could not prove that earth is a sphere. Alright students. Then the second one is Aristotle. The Aristotle is the student of Plato. Okay. The Aristotle, he studied or he observed the movements and position of the stars. Alright. What he did? He observed. What he observed? What did he observe? Yes. He observed movement and position of the stars. Alright, positions of the stars. To conclude that the earth is a sphere. Alright. The first Greek philosopher, he was not having any evidence to prove that the earth is a sphere. But his student Aristotle, he studied the position and movement of the stars conclude that Earth is a sphere. Alright. But in 16th century, the person Ferdinand Magellan, alright, what he did? Yes, do you remember his name? Who is he? Yes, he is an explorer. Alright, and we have already read what he explored. Okay, he was the first person who traveled across the world. Okay, students. Now, that Ferdinand Magellan, what he did? He wanted to prove that the earth is having sphere shape, not a flat shape. Alright, so he and his team, what they did? They kept sailing west from the Spain. Alright, they kept sailing west from the Spain. Okay, they kept sailing in one direction, which is west from the Spain, till they came back to the point where they have started. So we will decide that we will consider it the starting point. They kept sailing from this point and they traveled till they came back to their starting point. Alright, their journey proved that earth is having sphere shape. Alright, what their journey proved? Yes, very good. Their journey proved that the earth is having sphere shape. Okay, if earth would have flat shape, then they might have fall from the edges of the earth. But they came back to the point where they have started their journey. This thing proves that the earth is having spherical shape. Okay, as we all know that earth is a sphere. But now we also know that earth is an oblate sphere. It's not a perfect sphere. Our earth is an oblate. Earth is an oblate sphere. Alright. So it's not a perfect sphere. Now we'll see how we can prove this thing that earth is an oblate sphere. As imagine this is the shape of our earth. Alright, and this is the diameter from top to bottom. Alright, here we can say that the diameter of the earth from top to bottom is 12,714 kilometer. Alright, what is the diameter of the earth from the top to bottom? Yes, it is 12,714 kilometer. Alright, but when we see the diameter across the earth is 12,756 kilometer. How much is it? Yes, very good. 12,756 kilometer. Okay, it means this diameter from top to bottom is shorter than the diameter across the earth. Understood? Diameter from the top to bottom is shorter than the diameter across the earth. So, this thing proves that earth is an oblate sphere. Do you remember? I have told you meaning of oblate sphere. Yes, an oblate sphere means flat on the top and bulging at the middle. Alright, flat at the top and bulging in the middle. So, this two diameter shows that our earth is bulging at the middle, as it has the diameter across the earth is 12,756 kilometer. Understood? So, students, I hope you have understood that earth is an oblate sphere. Okay? Alright, we keep selling in one direction. Then what would happen? What will happen? Yes, very good. We reach to the point where we have started our journey. Alright, this thing proves that the earth is having sphere shape. Alright students, do you understand all the things? Yes, I hope you all have understood whatever I have explained in today's session. Alright students.